It's a parrot's nature to stay on top and watch for threats. Although I have no feathers, but I still like to climb high, because I can't fly. My mother is afraid that I will fall down and die. So we play in the place, mat, thick sponge. Whenever I climb to the high, she is always very worried. With the hand to protect me, I was very playful. But the fall did not happen once. Although I have no feathers, but preening is the nature of the parrot. I usually like to arrange the few remaining feathers. It looks very funny and cute.